Hello and welcome to IUP's Safety Shower, Eye Wash, and Fire Extinguisher demonstration, where we will go over the proper procedures of these safety devices. All lab areas are equipped with these emergency devices in case an accident occurs. Eye wash stations are utilized whenever a chemical splashes onto your face or eyes. To use, have a lab partner guide you towards the eye wash station. In this building, they are located near the safety showers. Pulling down on the handle will reveal both the eye wash station and start the flow of water. Your lab partner should help guide your head into the proper position. Initially, begin flushing with your goggles on to remove any gross contamination. Then, remove the goggles to flush both eyes using your hands to hold your eyes open. You should remain flushing your eyes for 15 minutes, even if you feel that the contamination has been completely removed. It should be noted that the water will initially be cold, but will warm within a few minutes. Safety showers are used whenever contamination contacts your skin or clothing, and flushing the area in a sink is not adequate. Your lab partner should help you navigate to the safety shower location. Pulling the lever will release gallons of water. Now is not the time to be modest, as using the safety shower will require you to remove all contaminated clothing. The shower curtain can be pulled by your lab partner, if available, to aid in privacy. You should remain under the shower for at least 15 minutes to flush the contamination from your person. To stop the flow of water, pull the lever back up to the starting position. After utilizing a safety shower or an eye wash station, you should consult your physician and receive medical care. Your instructor or research supervisor will assist in preparing an incident report form, which is required for all laboratory accidents. Now, we will go over the proper procedure for the use of a fire extinguisher. All lab areas are equipped with a fire extinguisher. These are located near the safety shower and eye wash stations, marked with a fire extinguisher inside sticker. To use a fire extinguisher, you just need to remember the acronym PASS. First, pull the pin. The pin helps to prevent accidental usage. Secondly, aim. You should aim the fire extinguisher at the base of the fire. Next, squeeze. Squeeze the trigger slowly and evenly. Finally, sweep. Perform a sweeping motion with the nozzle of the fire extinguisher to cover the areas that the fire may spread to. Just remember PASS the next time that you need to use a fire extinguisher.